How to add music to WhatsApp status on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how you can follow up the steps. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp on your screen. And then once you open up WhatsApp, you should be finding this interface. Now from this given interface, you can tap on the updates button in the bottom. And once you do that, you should be finding option to add a status. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on add status, you may select the photo or the video that you would like to upload. For example, let's say this one right here. And once you go ahead and select it, at the top of your screen, you should be finding the music option right beside the sticker, this one right here. So all you gotta do is go ahead and tap on it. And then you can search for the songs or the artist or select up the music that you prefer. For example, this one right here, you can tap on the arrow icon to click on next. After doing that, you can select up the range from which timeline you would want it. And after it is done, tap on down at the top right corner. And once you do it, you can tap on the screen send option in the bottom right corner. And then your music should be added to WhatsApp status on Android. So that is how you basically do it. If you don't have this music option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, and you should also be able to add it. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.